going to see if I can burn belly fat fast by adding these 10 surprising foods to my diet for a week. When it comes to fat loss, most of us think about the gym and hours of cardio. But what if I told you that the key to burning belly fat lies in the food you eat? Believe it or not, certain foods can actually help you lose weight and burn stubborn belly fat. And today I'm going to share with you 10 surprising ones that will do just that. We've all been there, struggling to get rid of that extra layer of fat around our midsection, no matter how hard we diet or exercise. And let's be honest, it can be frustrating and demotivating. But the truth is, most of us have been doing it all wrong. We've been told to starve ourselves, cut out entire food groups, and follow restrictive diets that are just not sustainable. And yet, we still struggle to lose weight and keep it off. It's no wonder we get discouraged and give up. But what if I told you that the key to burning belly fat isn't about depriving yourself of food, but about adding the right foods to your diet? Foods that can help boost your metabolism, reduce inflammation, and even change the way your body stores fat. It's not about cutting out entire food groups, but about making intentional choices that support your weight loss goals. The good news is that you don't have to be a health expert or a nutritionist to make these changes. All you need is the right information and a willingness to make some simple tweaks to your diet. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today. Let's dive into the top 10 surprising foods that can help you burn belly fat fast. First up, we have grapefruit. Grapefruit is high in water content and low in calories, making it the perfect snack for weight loss. It's also high in fiber, which can help keep you full and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Next, we have fatty fish like salmon. Fatty fish is high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body is better able to absorb nutrients and burn fat for energy. Berries are another surprising food that can help with belly fat loss. Berries are high in antioxidants and fiber, making them a great snack for weight loss. They're also low in calories and high in water content, making them very filling. Next, we have green tea, which is high in catechins, a type of antioxidant that can help boost your metabolism and burn fat. Green tea has also been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. The list goes on with foods like turmeric, which contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin. This can help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier to lose weight and burn belly fat. We also have ginger, which can help improve digestion and reduce inflammation. Other foods on the list include cinnamon, which can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, and avocado, which is high in healthy fats that can help keep you full and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. But out of all these surprising foods, there's one that really stands out to me, and that's kimchi. Kimchi is a Korean fermented food that's high in probiotics, vitamins, and minerals. It's also extremely low in calories and high in fiber, making it the perfect addition to any weight loss diet. But what really sets kimchi apart is its ability to reduce inflammation and improve gut health. This means that your body is better able to absorb nutrients and burn fat for energy. One of the reasons kimchi is so effective for belly fat loss is because of its high probiotic content. Probiotics can help restore the balance of good bacteria in your gut, which can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and even boost your mood. When your gut is healthy, your body is better able to absorb nutrients and burn fat for energy. And the best part is that kimchi is extremely easy to incorporate into your diet. You can add it to salads, use it as a topping for rice bowls, or even eat it as a snack on its own. So, let's recap. Today, we've covered the top 10 surprising foods that can help you burn belly fat fast. From grapefruit to kimchi, these foods are all packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can help boost your metabolism, reduce inflammation, and even change the way your body stores fat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite food from the list or share your own experiences with belly fat loss. And if you want more weight loss tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video.